Look, some pistols are better left hidden somewhere in a box unless there's a Cold War out there. Yes, these pistols are the kind to wreak havoc on whatever or whomever they descend. They're so powerful you wouldn't mess with them unless you're ready to encounter tremendous power. I call them the top 5 pistols for the end of the world. Let's take some time to explore these top 5 pistols that have proven to be more than just handguns. We're sure you're already curious to discover them, so we promise you won't be disappointed. But asking for a quick favor wouldn't be too much, right? You know it already. Kindly join our fast-growing community of firearm enthusiasts by clicking on the subscribe button below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family to encourage us to put out more authentic content just for you. Okay then, let's check out the top 5 pistols for the end of the world. Number 5. Canik TP9 Elite Combat. If you're looking for a full-size, high-performance pistol packed with features, the Canik TP9 Elite Combat is a top choice. Built on the same platform as the TP9 SF Elite, it offers even more features and performance upgrades, making it a favorite among tactical shooters and enthusiasts. For starters, the Elite Combat features a Warren tactical rear sight and a fiber optic front sight for rapid target acquisition even in low light conditions. The Warren tactical sights on the Canik TP9 Elite Combat are a game changer for tactical shooters. The sights are designed to provide a clear, precise sight picture that's easy to pick up in any lighting condition. The rear sight is adjustable for windage and elevation, allowing you to fine-tune your accuracy on the range. With its high visibility fiber optic front sight, you can quickly and easily acquire your target in any situation. Number 4. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Designed to be easily handled by shooters with small hands, the Springfield Hellcat Pro is a unique concealed carry option. Its performance and capacity are awe-inspiring for its small size. Its magazine capacity of 15 rounds makes it the smallest factory 9mm pistol to carry such high rounds. Even the Glock 43X and Glock 48, which come in smaller sizes, don't hold a 15-round magazine, which puts the Hellcat Pro above them. The Hellcat Pro's ergonomic design and performance give it a great advantage. The space between the front and back strap allows you to take control easily. The grip is comfortable enough and fits just right for people with larger hands. The texture around the grip is akin to a smooth gritted sandpaper that's nice on the skin. Although the magazine release is set for right-handed shooters, it's easily interchangeable for ambidextrous use. The trigger has a safety you must disengage to use, and pulling the trigger is bliss. Number 3. Walther PDP. Believe it or not, you could use the Walther PDP in your collection instead of the Glock pistol you hide under your pillow. With this personal defense pistol, you can rest assured that no attacker will go scot-free. The Walther PDP comes in both full-size and compact models. Chambered in 9mm Luger, it has a 15-round magazine capacity. You've never held a pistol with such a comfy grip as the Walther PDP has. It's long enough to reach quickly, and it doesn't matter whether you're left-handed or right-handed. The ambidextrous nature of the PDP leaves no room for mistakes. One important thing is that it's optics ready with an amazing slide lock lever. The seamless trigger control and the high accuracy level of the Walther PDP are notable. With this kind of pistol that has gained an edge over competitors in the market, Glock doesn't stand a chance. Number 2. The 6-Hour P226. The legendary 6-Hour P226 takes the second spot on my list. This iconic pistol is trusted by military and law enforcement agencies around the world. The P226 is a full-sized, all-metal pistol with exceptional accuracy and a smooth, crisp trigger. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution makes shooting a pleasure even for extended periods. This pistol also features 6-Hour's renowned reliability and durability. It's a firearm you can count on in any situation, whether on the range or in a defensive scenario. A few years ago, I was invited to a shooting competition held at an outdoor range. The weather was unpredictable, with sudden rainstorms and strong winds challenging the conditions. I decided to use my trusty 6-hour P226 for the competition, as I knew it was reliable even in adverse conditions. Despite the rain and wind, the P226 performed flawlessly. The grip was comfortable, the trigger pull was smooth, and the pistol's accuracy was unaffected by the harsh weather. I secured a top 5 finish in the competition, largely thanks to the P226's exceptional performance. This experience solidified my trust in the P226's ability to handle challenging situations with ease. Since then, it has remained one of my go-to firearms for competitive shooting and personal defense. Although the P226 might be too large for some concealed carry applications, it's an excellent choice for home defense, duty use, or simply enjoying range time with a top-notch firearm. Number 1. The Glock 19. Coming in at number 1 is a classic, the Glock 19. This pistol has been a staple in the firearms community for years now, and it's easy to see why. The Glock 19 is a semi-automatic pistol manufactured by Gloss Guess MBH, an Austrian firearms company founded in 1963 by engineer Gaston Glock. Glock initially specialized in producing polymer-framed pistols, which were revolutionary at the time and have since become an industry standard. Glock introduced the Glock 19 in 1988 as a more compact version of their successful Glock 17 pistol. Designed primarily for military and law enforcement, the Glock 19 quickly gained popularity due to its reliability, ease of use, and versatility. Today, it's one of the most widely used handguns by law enforcement agencies worldwide, including in the United States. The Glock 19 is renowned for its reliability, durability, and simplicity. It's incredibly easy to maintain and withstand even the most challenging conditions. With a comfortable grip and a perfect balance between size and capacity, the Glock 19 is a versatile choice for concealed carry and home defense. While some might find the design a bit basic, I appreciate the Glock's no-nonsense approach to this pistol. After all, when it comes to self-defense, you obviously want a firearm you can count on, right? The Glock 19 is a dependable, accurate, and user-friendly pistol that deserves its place at the top of my list. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and would love for more people to see this, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and we'll do our best to bring you more fantastic content. Also, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out when we post subsequent videos. Thanks a lot for watching.